Hey friends, hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Stratis coin. Almost 3 months ago, this was a video that I shared with you when I told you that the Stratis can be the coin of the month, and I was expecting almost up to 76% bullish move at that time. And this was a chart that I shared with you, and this is with the Bitcoin market chart. And at that time, the price line was moving down. And here I was expecting the completion of the bullish shark pattern because all the legs were driven as required, as per required for the bullish shark move. Now I'm just playing this chart, and you can see the price action entered in the potential reversal zone that was from 0.886 up to 1.13 Fibonacci projection, Fibonacci retracement level, and after that the price action moved up and produced more than 44% rally and moved down. Now at this time, I'm going to tell you that in the future I'm watching that it is going to dump very hard, and I'm watching a very strong bearish move in the future, even though the price action at this time is also bearish. Let me show you how I'm feeling this. For example, this is the Stratis with Bitcoin chart. On the daily chart, we can see that the price action is moving down in this down channel, and at this time the price action is again hitting the support, and we can see that at the support we have more pressure as compared to the resistance. We have the spikes at the resistance, but here the price action even broke down the support. We have several touches at the support, and only having the spikes at the resistance. Here we have a very weak spike, and even here the price action could not hit at the resistance and move down very close to the support, and very weak spike, and now it is moving down to the support again. For example, if the price action will not break down the support of this channel, or it will not break out this resistance, eventually it is moving down. Now let me just show you the real reason why I'm expecting it can be dumped more hard in the future. For example, this is the Stratis with Bitcoin pair, and the price action is completing the final leg of the bullish butterfly pattern, and this is the initial leg, and after that it is retraced between 0.618 to 0.786 Fibonacci retracement level. Then it is projected between 0.382 to 0.886 Fibonacci projection. Now the final leg as per bullish butterfly should be up to 1.27 up to 1.618 Fibonacci retracement level, and this level starts from 1764 satoshis and ends up to almost 41 satoshis. This is really very wide and big range of the potential reversals on. Therefore, we cannot expect that when this leg will be completed and the price action will be entered here, and we should buy at 1764 satoshis and wait for the price action to move up, even though it moves down up to 41 satoshis. That will be a really very big loss. This is only a Fibonacci sequence of this bullish butterfly pattern. So for this we can use at this time, definitely when the price action will be entered in this potential reversal zone, we will have some different indicators and signals. I will definitely share it with you at that time. But at this time we can use this volume profile to predict where the price action can move. For example, I'm just placing this volume profile on the complete price action moving within this pattern. Then we can see so far we don't have interest of the traders below this level. Let me replace this trend line here so it will be easy for you to watch. We have the traders interest up to this level only. So this volume profile is showing that we have a very weak interest of the trader where the price action is moving, but it is getting developed to the downside, and this pattern is showing that the price action can move up to this level. So once the price action will be moved up to this level, I'm expecting if the trader's interest will be not developed up to this as per this volume profile, then we can buy at that level up to where we will have the trader's interest as per this volume profile. And definitely we will also take a look on the different moving averages and the indicators as well at that time. So I'm not in favor to place the buying orders in advance, because if you place the buying orders here, the price action can move even more down. So we just need to wait for the price action to enter in this level, and after that we can use the different indicators and the signals and the moving averages and oscillators as well to how we should buy and where we should buy within this potential reversal zone. Same is like this. If we take a look with the US dollar pair, after this initial leg, the price action is retraced between 0.382 to 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level. You can see this is exactly 0.382 Fibonacci retracement, and after that the price action is projected between 1.13 up to 1.618 Fibonacci projection. And now as per bullish shark pattern, it should enter here from 0.886 up to 1.13 Fibonacci retracement level, and that also starts from almost 18.79 cents and ends up to almost 3.5 cents. And we will do the same with this chart when the price action will be entered here. At that time we will take a look at the price action and on the different indicators, what the indicators and the charts are saying, and we will place our buying orders accordingly, because this is a perfect Fibonacci sequence of the bullish shark, but the range is very big from 18 cents to 3 cents. Therefore, I have also placed the volume profile on the complete price action moving within this pattern, and we can see that so far the trader's interest is developed up to this level. And just placing this trend line here, you can see we have the trader's interest up to almost this level. So we can expect, if the interest will be not developed as per this volume profile, when the price action will be entered here, then somewhere between this range from this trend line to this the starting of this potential reversals on the price action can move up. As per Fibonacci sequence of this bullish shark, it should move up to 31.67 to 61.45 cents. And in the Bitcoin market, it can move from 3,100 to 6,365 Satoshis. So this can be the move when the price action can move down here, and it can move up to this level as per Fibonacci sequences of these patterns. I will also share these targets in the video's description as well. You can find there. And if we watch on the daily chart, I have placed this Ichimoku cloud here. Then you can see that since the price action has broken down this Ichimoku cloud and it is turned bearish, then the sell pressure is increased, and even this cloud is putting more pressure on the price action to move to push it more down, and the price action is moving more down. And before that, we have seen that the price action was even touching the cloud after every powerful sell rally or sell off or downside rally. The price action was trying to touch this cloud, but at this time the price action is even failed to touch this bearish cloud, and it is the cloud is moving even more down to put some more pressure on the price action. So the first signal for me at this time will be, if I'm seeking that the price action may not complete this final leg of these patterns that I've shown you, will be that if the price action will break out this cloud. If the price action will break out this cloud and it will turn bullish, so this will be the first signal for us that the price action is going to invalidate these patterns on the long-term weekly charts as well. So that can be our first signal, because last time I shared two ideas with you. For example, this was the Bitcoin chart, and the other one was with the US dollar pair, and this was the idea with the US dollar pair, and the price action was completing the final leg of the harmonic move, and it's taking some time. Let me show you that move. And this was also the bullish shark pattern I was expecting, that the price action will complete as per Fibonacci sequence. Now I'm playing this chart. You can see that in the Bitcoin market, it was executed as per prediction that I used as per Fibonacci sequence of this bullish shark and bullish butterfly in the Bitcoin market. And here, as per bullish shark, you can see that it went here and it started the bullish rally from here, did not complete the final leg, but eventually it moved down up to this level, and after moving down it moved up. After completing this leg, it moved up in this Fibonacci projection. So it can be possible that the price action may not complete and invalidate these harmonic moves. But so far, if we take a look on the different signals and the patterns, and even on the Ichimoku cloud on the daily chart, that is really very powerful indicator to determine whether the price action will move more down, or it will break out the cloud, or it will turn bullish. We can see that it has given very strong bearish signals at this time. The lagging span of this Ichimoku cloud has crossed down the candlesticks, and we have also received the death cross or bear cross between the conversion line and the baseline above these candlesticks of Stratis coin. So therefore, so far I'm expecting a very hard dump and the bearish move on the long term. In the meanwhile, on the daily and on the short term charts, maybe we will have some buying signals and we will have some buying opportunities and trades. But on the long term weekly chart, it can move more down to complete these final legs of the harmonic moves. I know that it can be a very bad news for many people, but at this time I'm expecting this, and as per my analysis and my opinion. However, you can do your own research as well. If there will be more changes, I'll definitely share with you. Take care. Goodbye.